Installation video for our low-profile TV wall mount. Assemble the wall plate. Align the wall plate brackets horizontally in the orientation shown here. Use the upper connecting plate to join the top wall plate brackets. Then use the lower connecting plate to join the bottom brackets using the assembly bolts. Attach the wall plate sides to both ends of the assembled wall plate brackets as shown using the provided assembly bolts. Wood stud installation. With the stud finder, locate the 2 required studs and center the mount on the studs at the desired height. Using a bubble level to ensure straightness, hold the wall plate to the wall and mark the center of the 4 mounting holes with a pencil. Use a 3/16" drill bit and drill on the marked locations. Secure the wall plate to the wall using the provided lag screws and washers. Concrete or brick wall installation. Using a bubble level to ensure straightness, hold the wall plate to the desired location on the wall and mark the center of the 6 mounting holes with a pencil. Use a 3/8" drill bit and drill on the marked locations to a depth of 2.4 inches. Clear any dust and debris from the holes and insert the provided concrete anchors. Secure the wall plate to the wall using the provided lag screws and washers, then tighten the screws until secure. Installing the TV to the mount. Lay your TV down on a flat surface and align the VESA arms over the VESA holes as shown. Select the appropriate size mounting bolts and washers for your display's mounting holes. Then attach the VESA brackets to the TV. Hang the TV on the wall plate by lifting up, then hooking the VESA brackets into the wall plate. Tighten the safety bolts on the underside of both VESA brackets until the bolt is past the lip of the wall bracket so that the TV cannot be accidentally lifted off the wall. Tilt adjustment. The mount can be tilted 10 degrees. Adjust the tilt of the TV by adjusting the tension of the upper bolt on the side of each VESA bracket.